Khushi, and she has been coming American for 1.5 months in American. So first of all, I'm going to ask because we have some doubt, guys, regarding the girls, especially in our Barabanki, because American is she comes every day. So I want to know about the girls' weaknesses and how what kind of problem they are facing in the society, and especially at home or in a school or colleges, because they have some kind of pressures in their mind and how to sort out and how to get it off. So she is going to tell all the things. So we are going to start a video. So first of all, I would like to ask about her like excitement. She is going to speak or not. So are you ready to speak today?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma'am. So first of all, tell me, what are you? Like, what's your occupation? What do you do?
Sir, I'm a teacher and I'm teaching in Indrani Devi Nanya Prasad Yadav Inter College.
So, like, as a occupation, you are a teacher, right? So, ma'am, for how long have you been teaching in a school?
Sir, I have been teaching in a school for 6 months.
6 months. It's been 6 months. Okay. So, before that, what was your life when you were you not teaching there, right? And how you were surviving at your home, because I have seen, especially in my locality, in my at home also, my sister, they are gonna do work at home, they are doing all the domestic works, so they are sick of all the things. Even sometimes we have seen they are going to throw the pots actually from the kitchen, so what do you do actually, sorry, what you used to do actually before it, when you used to not teach in a school? Please tell me.
Sir, when I was not a teacher, then when I was not a teacher, then I was not a teacher. I lived in my house and doing nothing doing any. I wasn't doing anything in a home because my mother always supports me and say that you have to prepare for your own, and she always motivates me that you have to prepare and you want and you will be like that.
So after joining the school, what are you gaining from there? First of all, tell me the responsibilities which you have to do in your school.
Sorry, sir.
First of all, you have to tell me the responsibilities of your school which you have to do every day there, and how Khushi has been changed, like before what she was and how she is tackling the situation.
So first of all, I want to tell you that when I'm not a teacher and I was a student, then I take everything as a normal way. When I got a teacher and I got a teaching job, then I take things very seriously, and there was many responsibility in a school, and we have to complete our target in a school. That's like.
So, can you tell me how many hours do you spend in your school?
So I went in a morning. I go to the school at morning 8 a.m. and return after 2 p.m.
So, guys, think about that. She spent, I think, almost 5 to 6 hours in a school, and after that, after getting exhausted, she come to American Institute to take a classes, guys. So think about how she is laborious, and second thing, she is a disciplined girl in American, because she always speaks in English. That is the big things. So I would like to convey this message to everybody, if you are practicing anywhere, I'm not talking about only in American Institute, if you are going to any institute to learn English, first of all, guys, you have to speak in English. This is the first vision which I'm gonna tell, that is, without speaking English, nothing can be learnt, guys. Whether you are reading newspaper and you are studying at home, but nothing can be improved. You should speak in English. That is the first things which she does, right? So okay, ma'am. So after that, you tell me about your school, that how do you tackle? First of all, tell me what is your favorite subject.
Sir, my favorite subject is a maths and English also.
Okay. So what do you teach in a school?
Sir, I teach in a school English and math also, both.
That's nice.
And drawing.
At what time do you take your lunch?
Sir, at 11:30 a.m.
11:30. So do you take your lunch? Do you bring your lunch to your school?
Sorry, sir.
Do you bring your lunch to your school?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Who makes that? You or your sister or mother?
So my mother.
Your mother makes, okay. And what time do you get up in morning time?
So I get up at 7 o'clock in the morning.
Every day,
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
whether it's Sunday also.
No, sir. In the Sunday, I wake up at yes, sir. At I think 11 a.m. or 10 a.m. like that.
That's nice. Ma'am, with the help of you, I want to convey the masses to our especially young, those who are a girl actually. They are not able to earn the money. Can you tell me the source how they can earn money? Because they are also the suffering, problems at the home. They don't wanna do work actually. So I don't know. Like, do you have a job or not? Only tell how they can tackle the situation and how they can do the job. And what kind of job in your mind regarding the girls in our society, please?
So first of all, I told na? I told who was this video, and that there was a many ways which you can earn money, and like the teacher job. But firstly, you have to think about that. You have to be a normal in every situation and each situation. And first of all, you have to listen others, but do what you want, like that. Then after this, you tackle all the problems easily.
Okay, tell about your first day when you went to your school.
So when I went to school at my first day, I was very nervous and thought that which type of question anyone's asked me, and I thought about the children. There was a too much mischievous children and mischievous teacher also. that. And that's why I'm very nervous, and I always thought that I did not do any type of mistake at my first day. That's
Who's your best teacher in your school? By that you were learning something.
so that's my manager sir and manager ma'am. They was very polite nature. They is very polite by nature, and they is very down to earth by nature.
Okay, can you recommend them to meet me?
Sorry, sir.
Can you recommend them to meet me in American Institute?
Yes, sir. I will say.
I will message, huh?
Yes,
That's
sir.
nice. So they speak in English or Hindi? Your manager, ma'am and sir?
Sir, both after observing person's nature, they talk with them.
Okay, that's nice.